James, I'm now going to listen to your chest, and I'll be feeling the pulse in your neck at the same time, okay? And sit forward for me. Deep breath in and out. Hold it there. And breathe normally. And roll onto your left hand side for me. Deep breath in and out. And hold it there. And breathe normally.